Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow chaga mushrooms at home. First, understand that chaga is a unique fungus, traditionally found on birch trees in cold climates. Cultivating it yourself involves a multi-step process, requiring specific materials and a controlled environment. We will cover everything from preparing your substrate to harvesting your own chaga, ensuring you have a clear guide for success. To begin, select fresh birch logs, ideally 4 to 6 inches in diameter and about 3 feet long. Drill holes approximately 1½ inches deep, spaced 6 inches apart in a diamond pattern around the log. Carefully insert your chaga spawn plugs into each hole. After inoculation, seal every hole with melted wax to protect the spawn from drying out and contaminants, ensuring a successful start to your chaga growth. After inoculation, place your logs in a cool, shaded, and consistently humid environment. Ideal temperatures for chaga colonization range from 35 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Good air circulation is crucial to prevent unwanted mold or fungal growth. Remember, chaga is a slow grower. Expect to wait 1 to 3 years before your first harvest, as the mycelium needs ample time to establish itself. When your chaga conch reaches at least 4 inches in size, it's ready for harvest. Use a sharp chisel or a sturdy knife to carefully pry the chaga from the log, being mindful not to damage the underlying wood too much. It's important to leave a small portion of the chaga behind on the log. This encourages future regrowth. With proper care, your inoculated logs can continue to produce chaga for several years.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.